We are going to make calzones tonight because it is National Calzone Day, Tuesday, November 1st.
All right, we've done one of these before, but we're scaling back the recipe a little bit, so it's not so quite so much to eat.
Overwhelming.
And we've got kind of an interesting calzone based on what we had in the fridge or freezer. We've got some beef we're going to season up with some taco seasoning. We've got a orange bell pepper and some pepper jack cheese.
Yeah.
And we've got a dough ball that we made up last night to make into the calzone. So
it's gonna be great around the campfire.
Sorry for the generator noise in the background, but
can't help
one
it.
downside of staying in a campground, people have to have their power. We have power. We don't have a generator.
It's solar and quiet.
Oh,
How cool.
give it a shot. Okay, back to the calzone video. Always keep a nice placemat in your truck camper. You never know when you're going to need a non-stick surface. We're going to roll out our dough on our redwoods placemat.
So not only is it National Calzone Day, but of course, if you've been following us, it is also our year of the pizza, which is our New Year's 2022 food resolution to eat more pizza.
I don't have we have an exact count, I just don't have it for you right here. But last I counted, not too long ago, we were approaching 40 pizzas for the year, which does not count like the time we made like 3 pizzas each, just like times that we've made pizza has been like 40 times. So I think we're doing okay. So we've got the sauce, homemade sauce. We've got the pepper jack. Seems like an odd pizza cheese, I know, but
It's gonna be awesome.
we thought it would go well with the Mexican seasoned beef and peppers.
Plus, it's a good melting cheese. My stars.
We've got a little bit more leftover cheese from our last pizza. Also Cabot. Boy, if you're in the Northeast, we've been super impressed with the Cabot cheese. They even have their own macaroni and cheese line, which we've just stocked up on but haven't had yet. But betting it's going to be delicious as well. So we'll reach across and we'll hope this all fits in. Steak and peppers, and may not be completely authentic, but we're gonna make it work for Calzone Day somehow. If we can roll it all up and actually get it in the Omnia, I'm sure from there it will turn out just fine.
It smells really good, if you could smell.
If, again, we had smell-o-vision. Okay, so I'm just gonna take one side of this.
And if all works well, it's going to go around just like a calzone.
I know it's not traditional, but it's got to go in the Omnia too, so sure you can tell us what you think in the comments. But
the Omnia has been really fun for these kind of baking elements for our campfire meals.
Yeah, so last calzone we did was like heaping
Yeah, it was.
And
a
so
little,
we scaled
little
this one
too
back.
big.
It's not going to fill in the whole thing, but we'll get it on the fire here, and we've got one hole in it, but
It'll be fine.
sure it's going to work. Okay, any luck at all, we'll see you back here in about 45 minutes. All right, that one little hole that I thought I patched up, the source of the cheese that's running out here, but we're gonna do it. Calzone, I think, is ready.
Nice crust. Okay, we flipped it out of the silicone from the Omnia.
It's still hot.
It's still hot, but it's got nice oozy cheese and a crispy crust.
All right, everybody, happy National Calzone Day.
The cheese is really, really, really hot, but the crust is really, really crispy. Well, look good.
All right, we've got ourselves a calzone. See you down the trail.